Hello friends, today we are going to start a very important chapter of your aptitude, that is syllogism. So this chapter have a very good weightage in your examination. The concept behind it is very simple to understand. Just you need to focus on the things that is said in the following examples. Okay, pay attention towards it. We are starting with syllogism. So here is a question that some books are toys. This is your books. This is your toy, right? Some books are toy and no toy is red. So this is red color. No toy is of red color. Now we will see the condition. Some books are red. So here are some books, right? And it is intersecting with toys. That means this is toys can never be red, right? So this books will also be not red. This is false. Some toys are books. So some toys are books, right? The statement is correct. You can see this is happening, that some toys are there which are books. So statement second is true, statement one is false. So if in options you will get, you have to take only two statements. Second statement is conclusive. Okay, so here is a question that some authors are teachers, so you have to make a circle. Author, this is of teacher, right? Some authors are teacher. No teacher is lady, so no teacher is lady means all the teachers are male. Okay, all teachers are male. That means some teachers are not ladies, right? It is correct that some teachers are not ladies, means the teachers are male, right? The teachers are male, so this is correct. And some ladies are teacher. It is clearly given that no teacher is lady, so how can be some ladies are teachers? So second is false, first is true. So first is true, second is false. So here is a question that all dogs are bullock. So this is dog, this is bullock. All dogs are bullock, right? And all bullocks are goat. So all bullocks are goat means this will be goat, right? All bullocks are goat. So that simply means this. So now the conclusion is all dogs are God. So all dogs are God. So goats. So yes, this is right. All dogs are goats. Second is all goats are dog. So this is opposite, right? All dogs are God, not all goats are dog. So first is right, second is wrong. So only first follow. Only first follow will be your answer. Okay. So here is a question. The question is some tigers are lion. So you have to make a circle of tiger, then lion. And some tiger are lion, right? Second is no lion is panther. This panther and lion should not be there. Relation should not be there between panther and lion. Now there is a question that some panther are not tiger. So not statement. So I told you whenever not come, you have to do the opposite. So some panthers are not lion means that all panthers are lion. All panthers are lion. You have to check for that. All panthers are lion. All panthers are tiger. For this you have to check. Okay. So all panther are tiger. You have to check. This is panther. This is tiger. So can you do this? Yes, you can do this. You can place a tiger one inside this panther, right? You can place panther. Some panthers are means all panthers are tiger. So you can place panther inside tiger. So this is tiger circle and this is panther. So yes, this can be do. So this is true. Then its opposite should be false. I told you, right? I told you in the cases this must be false. So this is false. Second, some tigers are not. Some lions are not tiger. So some lions are not tiger. What will be its opposite? That's all lions are tiger. Are tiger. This is opposite, right? All lions are tiger. So this is your lion. This is your tiger. So can all lions can be tiger? all lions can be tiger. So yes, it can happen, right? This is your lion, this is your tiger, right? So the condition will remain the same. Panther, it is not interacting, right? So this lions can be inside of tiger, right? So still some tiger out of this, some tiger, right? Some tigers are lions, right? Condition is satisfying our first condition. Out of this entire, some tigers are still lion, and no lion is panther. There is no connection between lion and panther. So if second is coming true, so opposite will comes false. So second will be correct, incorrect. Third is some tigers are not panther. So its opposite will be all tigers are panther. All tigers are panther. All tigers are panther. Right? We have to check for opposite whenever you see not. So some tigers are not panther. All tigers are panther. For this we have to check. So panther is separate, and we have to, if we put this tiger column inside this panther to make all tiger as panther, right? So what will happen, this also goes with him, na? And this portion is something that is related to lion also. So this statement comes to be false. So opposite of it, that is, this statement is actually true. Okay, so you have to check for opposite statement. If it comes true, then the real statement comes false. If it comes false, then the real statement comes true. No panther is lion. That means no, it comes. So some panthers are lion, some panther are lion. But here clearly given no lion is panther. So no lion can be, or even not even some can be. A lion can be panther, right? So this statement comes out to be false. So opposite of it, that is, this is true. Okay, so 3 and 4 is the only one which follows or which are true. So 3 and 4 is the answer. So here is a question that few, only a, okay, so we can see the question, that is, only a few pastries are bananas. Only a few apples are banana. Okay, so there are two statements. So what that means, only a few pastries are banana. So few pastries are banana. Only a few apples are banana. So this is two pastries, this is banana, and only a few apples are banana. I can do this, right? Now they ask me, no apple is pastry. No apple is pastry, they are asking me. So opposite of it is no, we have to make some apples are pastry, right? So we can check for the no statement. Some apples are pastries, right? This is the pastry, this is your banana. So some apples are pastry. You have to check. Can I do like this? Yes, I can do. But can it violate the condition? No, it is not violating. Only a few apples are banana. So here also banana apple is happening, and this is also happening. So this statement is coming as true. So opposite of it will be false. So no apple is pastry is wrong statement. Okay. Now at least some apples are pastries. At least whenever you see, you have to cut it. Some apples, some apples are pastry. You can see apples are here, and some apples are pastry, they said. So here we made and prove it, right? Some apples can be pastry, right? In this case we did that. So this is second one is true, first one is false. So first one is false and second one is true. So here is a question, that is, some pens are key. So you have to make like this. Some pens are key. You have to only write that much which is provided. You don't have to do extra work. Okay, that is the basic of synonymism. Some keys are lock, some keys are lock. All locks are card. This is lock. All locks are card means this is overlapping, right? Right. This is, or this may be bigger like this, right? This will be your cards. All locks are card, and No card is paper, so there is no relation between card and paper. Okay. Now we will see the questions. No log is paper. So I told you whenever there is no, what you have to check for some, and whenever it is some negative sentence, when there is no, you have to check for some. When there is not some, the some is provided, then you will check for all. Okay. For negative sentence, then there is no and not and never comes. Okay. So no log is paper, so that means some logs are paper. It can be some log, can be paper. Paper is here, and there is no relation between card and this. And if I this uplift this and keep under this log 1, right? So it cannot be happen, right? Because there is a cross link between card and paper. So log is a part of card, so this cannot go there. So this statement is correct. Second statement, some cards are key. So these are some cards, these are inside some key. So yes, it is correct. It is correct. Third is, some keys are not paper. So some keys, so these are keys are not paper. So we are not. We know that this much will not be. This much will not be part of this, because this will be a part of lock and card. So we know that this will be not come under paper, but we don't know about this, right? We don't know about this part. So the question is, some keys are not paper. So yes, there are some keys which are not paper, right? This is a part which is not paper, right? So this is also true. No key is paper. No key is paper. So where is your key? This is your key, right? This is your key. No key is paper. We know that card and paper don't have relation, and this part is not have relation. We cannot tell about this, right? We cannot tell about this. This maybe can have relation with this. We cannot comment on it. So that's why it is unpredictable, or we cannot say about it. So this statement will be false. Okay. No pen is paper. So there is no relation between card and paper, but that doesn't mean that pen don't have relation. So pen may have relation between it. So this is also false. Thank you.